Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Marvel Rivals Twitch drops. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in marvelrivals.com. Once done, just hit on enter and you'll be landed to the same exact page. Alright, now what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and log in right here at the top right. Now once you're logged in, just go ahead and click on my account. Alright, now once you're in here, go ahead over to connections. Click on connections, and as you can see here, mine is already binded. If it says here bind for you, just go ahead and do so. It will just need you to log into your Twitch account, and as easy as that, your account will be binded right here on your Marvel Rivals account. Alright, once done, go ahead over to Twitch. Now go ahead and browse through your favorite streamers right here. For example, the ones that are playing Marvel Rivals. Right here, just click on it. Now what we're going to do here is to join a stream. For example, this one right here, Ninja. Is stated here that drops are on. Just click on it. Enjoy his stream. Alright. As you can see here, when we scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find drops enabled. Now you know that this is a streamer that you would want to watch. Alright. It says here, watch to earn drops. Just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and you'll be able to see the details. Alright, just click on view details and it will land you to the drops and rewards section. And as you can see here, Marvel Rivals is now included. Alright, here are the rewards. Now it says here, watch for 30 minutes and claim the reward Will of Galacta. Watch for 1 hour and claim the reward Adam Warlock. And watch for 4 hours and claim the Adam Warlock costume. Once you've unlocked 30 minutes or 1 hour or even 4 hours, you'll be able to see a claim button right here. Just go ahead and claim it. Now after that, go ahead and open up the game and go to the mail icon and just claim your free items. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.